All right, William Ramirez back. I'm going to do a brief overview of living benefits and life insurance. People think it's just for death and for tax-free lifetime income, where that is the case, but if you ever do get sick, it does a lot more. And I'm going to go through this briefly. You can certainly watch the video over and over as much times as you like. But if you die too soon, we know you have death benefit. But if you become ill, you have health insurance, but health insurance covers medical bills. Yes, and not all of them, actually. You have deductibles, and then you need money to continue your lifestyle. These are statistics of people becoming ill. You can read through this at your leisure. But a lot of people go bankrupt because of medical expenses, more than half of the population. And here's more unexpected risk percentages that you can go through at your leisure. Again, there's not enough money out there unless you have a certain proper life insurance policy. And this life policy is going to cover terminal illness, chronic illness, critical illness, critical injury, Alzheimer's disease. Wow. A lot of things. It does cover a lot of living benefits that a lot of people don't know about, but this is really important for a lot of people. I'm 53 years old, going on 54, and my health has changed some. This talks about terminal illness, 24 months. That's when you're going to pass away. But here, this is long-term care, basically a form of long-term care, and they'll pay you for 5 years every month. I think that's really, really important. Critical illness and critical injury. This is you can go and be in a car accident, get a stroke. The list is here, and it covers more, but this is just a summary. Alzheimer's disease. I mean, it affects everybody. It can affect anybody, really. So this is more statistics. How the ABRs are payout are basically monthly, and some are lump sum. So it's really important to have something like this in your insurance plan. If you don't have it in your life insurance, you definitely want to look into it. And you can call me at area code 805-587-8785, 805-587-8785. This is again, this talks about fertility, journey brighter, peace of mind. Again, they'll pay you one lump sum payouts in some cases, and some they pay you monthly. But there's a lot of benefits, living benefits, and especially if you get sick, that life insurance provides. And that is it. So I hope you got a good shot of that. And I got one more I want to show you here. Excuse me. You have tax-free, risk-free insured strategies. And what I mean by that is we already know about the tax-free income. We know about the death benefit. But the living benefits that we just went through right now, this is real. This is something that needs to be addressed. And I'll be more than happy to give you a free consultation. Just reach me at 805-587-8785. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Once more, you can reach me at area code 805-587-8785 for a free consultation. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.